Looking for the perfect mix of adventure and comfort on the road? Meet the 2025 Dreamer D53 Fun Campervan, the ultimate travel companion built to bring your dream journeys to life. From sleek design to unmatched practicality, this campervan has it all. Under the hood, the Dreamer D53 Fun Campervan is powered by a 2.2-liter BlueHDi diesel engine, delivering a smooth 160 horsepower and exceptional fuel efficiency. Designed with travelers in mind, its 6-speed automatic transmission ensures effortless driving on highways, winding mountain roads, or city streets. The lightweight chassis improves agility, while advanced suspension technology provides a stable, comfortable ride no matter where your adventure takes you. Plus, its compact design means parking and maneuvering are a breeze, making it ideal for urban explorers and wilderness adventurers alike. Step inside, and you'll instantly feel at home. The Dreamer D53 is designed to maximize space without compromising comfort. The main living area features a modern convertible lounge space, perfect for relaxing or dining. A fully equipped kitchenette includes a 2-burner gas stove, sink, fridge, and enough counter space to whip up your favorite meals. The bathroom is compact yet functional, offering a shower, cassette toilet, and sink, ensuring convenience wherever you go. The 2025 Dreamer D53 Fun Campervan doesn't just stop at practicality, it also embraces the latest tech. The 7-inch infotainment system keeps you connected with GPS navigation and smartphone integration, while the optional Wi-Fi hotspot ensures you stay online wherever you roam. For off-grid adventurers, the roof-mounted solar panels and a dual battery system provide energy independence. The eco-friendly heating and ventilation system ensures you stay comfortable in any climate, while panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, giving you breathtaking views of the great outdoors. Starting at just $65,000, the Dreamer D53 Fun Campervan offers incredible value for its versatile design and cutting-edge features. Customization options, including upgraded solar panels or additional tech, allow you to tailor your campervan to your needs. Fully loaded models are priced around $78,000, making this an unbeatable investment for anyone ready to hit the road in style. Whether you're exploring scenic highways or setting up camp under the stars, the 2025 Dreamer D53 Fun Campervan is the key to unlocking your ultimate adventure. Your dream journey starts here.